Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other best Bitcoin website to pay you much more cryptocurrency like Bitcoin Satoshi every day. This website is very wonderful website. If you work honestly, you can earn much more cryptocurrency. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. Okay, this one is the website. The website link in description. Click the link and come here, register yourself. Okay, this is the all payout story of payout. Okay, a lot of people come here, work in this website and make their payout. Okay, and this website pay for to users and you can join for free. This website is new. Come here, click register, sign up, just fill the name, password, email, gender, your country, any country you're from, Bitcoin wallet address, and click. And now I'm going to log in. Okay, I have an account in here. Okay, this is the website. Every 5 minutes you come here, claim your reward from this website. Okay, if you cut this number, it pay you. Okay, just click just fill the capture. Okay, and click roll. You can make much more cryptocurrency with every 5 minutes. Come here and claim. Okay, I went in Satoshi right now. I refresh the page. Now right now okay, every 1 hour, sorry. Right now I have this much Bitcoin. Okay, how is the withdrawal? Just click withdraw. If you withdraw in Faucetpay, the minimum withdrawal is this much. Okay, this is too easy, you can earn, and this is a lot of way to you can earn. Faucet, the first one is Faucet PTC hearts. I claim all the PTC hearts. Right now no available PTC hearts. You can click short links. You can visit the short links and you can earn. If you visit all short links, they pay you this much Satoshi. Okay, every day. And you can fill the job. I fill whole job about that. No available job right now. Achievements, this website pay you achievements too, and you can earn much more crypto with that too. Okay, you can go CPU mining. You can click CPU mining and you can start mining with your CPU. I didn't recommend this one because this one pay you least Bitcoin, and this is wasting time. Okay, this much urge you win, this much BTC you earn every day. If you just click a store, they pay you this much Satoshi. Okay, this is very low. I didn't recommend you. Okay, you can work just visiting website. Okay, the last one is random. Random is some code, paste your friend code, use it code, and you can earn much more from this. Okay, the best way you can earn much more is the referral. You can refer your friends. Okay, and you can earn much more crypto with the referral link. Right now I refer 3 people. This much I earn from referral. Okay, and you can refer your friends. Okay, now below you see your point to referral. Okay, no enough for me because I didn't have much more. You can complete offer and you can earn much more crypto with the offer. Okay, this website is very wonderful. You can earn more cryptocurrency if you work honestly in this. And tomorrow I make a withdrawal proof with this video. Okay, in this website, and this is all. This is the best website you can work. And please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. This is for now, and thanks for watching guys, and goodbye for now, and see you next time.